Hello and welcome to my Python programming channel, wherein I try to explain some of the concepts in Python programming. Today we are going to look at how Python works under the hood and the relationship between Python and underlying language, which is C. Hello everybody, have you ever wondered how Python works under the hood? Number one, what happens when we install Python? These are the files that gets installed on your laptop. This is for Mac OS. All the libraries when you install on Mac is installed in /library by default. Each one of these libraries are written in so-called old language, which is C, which is still relevant after many decades. When you import SSL, probably we're trying to call functions which are inside this particular library, which is libSSL. These libraries are shared objects on Linux, and these are all dynamic libraries on Mac. And similarly, it is called as DLLs in Windows. And the second question that you might have is, where is the related code? The open source Python version which we widely use is called as Cpython, because Python is implemented using C language. Its source code is available on GitHub, and you can navigate to Cpython to look at entire code. And number three, let me show you a glimpse of how that C code looks like. I'm sure you must have come across something called as sum. And let us look at what does doc say for sum. Sum takes an iterable and then it is specifically designed for numeric values, and it rejects non-numeric types. This is a fairly simple function, and let us try to look at the source code in C. You can see I have navigated to Cpython, Python BLT in module.c, which is built-in module.c. This is getting interesting, isn't it? This particular pointer iterable is pointing to the list that we passed into the sum. Let's try to scroll through this function and try to connect the dots. After checking the list of values that we have sent is not null, it is checking if it's Unicode, if it's bytes, or if it's byte array, which are not supported, and hence we got this particular error here. This pattern of validating the input for various cases and then trying to achieve what we want is also called as defensive coding. This is where the actual sum happens. And if you're interested, you can also navigate into this particular function and see how this py_incref, which is incremental ref, works. I hope this was interesting and you learned something new. If you like the content, please like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.